Everyone, Jeff here, and we've had a very, very busy weekend. I hope you guys have had a restful weekend because I haven't. But this weekend's, what I'm going to share with you actually comes from last weekend. All right. Um, Last weekend, I did jail ministry. And, you know, you never know what you're going to get when you go to jail. All right. You just don't. All right. I'll be honest with you, the last 3 or 4 times I've been there, you could just tell the spirit wasn't there, and you almost feel like you're not doing anything, right? Constructive, right? However, then you go on a week like I had last Saturday, right? And last Saturday was just awesome, right? Now, if you've never been in jail, you don't understand what jails are like. It reminds me a lot of the military because um, you have different pods that have bays in them, and basically there may be anywhere from 15 to 20 inmates in a bay. All right, and you go in these pods, and we do Bible study, and sometimes you may have 3 people come over, sometimes you may have 10. But one particular pod last Saturday we went into, and every single inmate came over and sat at the table. Now, when that happens, first of all, the spirit's in that pod, all right? Second of all, something is happening there that is good, all right? And what it was is there was one particular inmate in that pod, and he was just pouring into these guys, all right? There's a rehab facility, all right, and it's out toward Conway somewhere. It's out in the sticks, but and I don't even know the name of it, but they do a fantastic job because what they do is they basically pour into these men and get them off drugs, and they do it for about 6 months, all right, and then at about the 6 month mark, they basically bring them in and say, hey, if you have any outstanding warrants, we're going to take you to that county you have the outstanding warrants in, and you're going to do your time, all right, because we're not going to have you finish our program and then get arrested and wind up in a similar situation. So you're going to go do it, and then you're going to come back and you're going to finish up. And one of the guys in this pod was from that program, and he had basically been 6 months, and he was just in there pouring into these guys, right? And loving on these guys, and you could just tell I can't explain it, right? And what I ask of you is this, right? Are you pouring into someone, right? Is there someone that you can pour into and you can uh, help, right? I'm going to be honest with you. I need to find someone other than my seventh graders to pour into, right? And I'm going to be looking for that person because it was just amazing. Now, once again, it's hard to pour into more than one or two people unless you're in jail. All right, if you're in jail, you can pour into a lot of folks because that's all you have time to do. But I want to read something to you real quick, and it comes from Philippians 2. I'm going to start at verse 1, and it basically says, you belong to Christ, and He makes you brave. His love makes you strong. You're able to help one another because His Spirit is in you. You can be kind to each other, and you can forgive each other. Because of that, this is how you can make me completely happy. In your mind, think about things in the same way as one another. Love one another completely in your spirit. Agree with one another and work together for the same purpose. Now, like I said, that is, I hadn't really thought about that verse, but that was a verse that's come out of me looking at this young man just pouring into these guys. All right, so that's my challenge to you. All right, if you're saved, find someone to pour into. If you're not saved, once again, I would tell you it's the easiest decision of life. All you got to do is ask Jesus to come into your heart. Pray a prayer. Know that you're a sinner. Know that you need to have a Savior for those sins, and that is Jesus. All right. But like I said, if you are saved, find someone to pour into this week.